Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Let me just share the trade so that I can use it to pepper those people that hasn't deposit up to $15 in their BtcDana trading application. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. It's coming right up. It's coming right up. Just a moment. Just a moment. Oh, God. I want to share the picture with you guys. Okay. I want to share it with those of us that didn't. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The account I took it on is a different account. Okay. So this is where our market TP'd. Okay. This is where it TP'd. This is for the small account. I don't want to show you the whole profit. Okay. So I want to show you the exact one we took. This is the one I sent to the premium channel this afternoon. Okay. You see, even with 0.01, the smallest lot size, the smallest of all the lot size, even with the smallest lot size, I was able to make 2.929. You see, 2.29. So you see, this is the benefit of you being in the premium group. Okay. So start depositing right now, guys. Start depositing. Deposit at least $15 because I have another trade coming up. Okay. I have another trade coming up, and I'm going to drop it in the premium group. Okay. I wanted to drop it here before, but I don't like the way people are turning up. It's as if we are not even serious here. Okay. I'm trying to help you guys here, guys. I'm trying to help you guys. So I think I should focus more on the people that has up to $15 in their trading account. Okay. But if you want to get into the group, you can start depositing right now. Deposit using the chat room. In the chat room, you see a banner that says deposit with benefit. Okay. So click on it and it will take you straight to where you can make a deposit. Okay. The money you're depositing is not for me. The money you are depositing is not for me. It's for you to make more money with. Okay. You deposit it, you use it to make more money, you grow it. That's just it, guys. So let's go back to the business of today. Okay. I told you there's a signal coming up. If you want to be part of those that will make money from the signal, make sure you deposit right now. Guys, the market is already at the tip where I'm going to send the signal out. It's already at the tip where I'm going to send the signal out. But I'm not going to be giving it live. I'm not going to be giving it on this live stream. Okay. I'm sending it to the premium group. It is what I promised them, and it is them I'm going to give it to. So if you want to be qualified, start depositing. Deposit up to $15. Deposit in this live stream right now. If you're not depositing in the live stream, you won't be qualified. Okay. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. So guys, start depositing. Start depositing. Our trade is almost at the tip where we are going to be entering the market from. Okay. It's almost at that place you are going to start placing trades. But like I said, I'm not going to be dropping it here on this live stream. Okay. So it's going to be in the premium group. And if you want to place the same trade, okay, if you want to make money from the trade, from the signal I'm going to send to the group, make sure you are depositing up to $15 in your BtcDana application. Start depositing right now. Deposit. Just $15. The $15 is not for me. Okay? So the $15 you deposit, the money you deposit is for you. You deposit it, I give out the signal, you make money. Okay? So what we do here is we share information, we help each other grow. Okay? We share information by helping each other to, learn. Okay? So I teach you, I still find a way to make money for you. Okay? So you are making money, you are learning. I like to call that killing two birds with one stone. Guys, go and start depositing, please. Go and start depositing. It's very important. It's very important. My guys in the VIP, in the premium group, don't worry. We have another trade coming up. Okay? We have another trade coming up. I think this one will even be better than the first one. Okay? This one will be far better than the first one. Imagine how much you make in the first trade, in the USDC AD trade, the one we took from earlier. Imagine how much you made. Okay, so now imagine how much you are going to make from this current one. So this is the market I'm actually looking at. Let's go to GBP JPY. GBP JPY. This is not the market I want to provide signal from. That one is different. The one I want to provide signal from, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I have the chart elsewhere. I'm using one eye. I'm using my corner eye to look at the chart. Okay. So if you want to make profit, if you want to profit from the signal I'm going to drop next, make sure you deposit. Start depositing, guys. Start depositing. Okay. So we have our GBP JPY, British pounds against Japanese yen. So let's go to the higher time frame. You can also watch out for this trade, guys. You can watch out for it. I just want to share an important information before we do something else. GBP JPY 30-minute time frame. Let's see what is going on there. I actually analyzed this market in the morning. I said it's going to sell. Okay. It's going to sell, but it hasn't gotten to that point where it's going to sell from. So I said the market is going to get to this point. Okay. It's going to get to this point because if you look at this point, here, we have a resistance zone. Okay. We have a resistance zone around here and around here. Okay. And this market, if you can see this clearly, we have a support zone that this market keeps bouncing off from. Okay, we have a support zone just below these candles. Okay, as you can see, the market has been bouncing around this zone, this particular area for some times now. So what is going to happen is this market will come because the overall trend for this GBP JPY is downtrend. Okay, the market is on downtrend. So what is going to happen is this market will come to this level. Okay, it actually want to make a retest on this resistance zone. Okay, so after the retest, the market is going to continue its journey to the downside. So you can keep an eye out for it too. Okay, you can keep an eye out for it, but don't worry. Um, I'm going to be staying with the market. Okay, so if we see any opportunity on it, I'm sure going to be dropping it in the free group. Okay, on the BtcDana free group. But for the other trade that I talked about, that one is specifically for my premium members. Okay, for the premium members, those are the one that funded their account with at least $15. So if you want to qualify for the same offer, start depositing right now. Use that banner icon on the chat room. Use that banner icon. Click on it. It will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. Okay, it will take you to bank transfer. Click on that bank transfer. It will take you to where you can enter the amount you want to deposit. Okay, so from there, just follow the instructions. Go and deposit. Go and deposit. We don't want to be coming here and be shouting every day. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to make money. We want to make money. And how do you make that money? You just need to deposit. The money you are depositing, I'm not taking it from you. Nobody's taking it from you. I'm not saying go and deposit and then transfer it to my account. It's not possible, okay? That is not what I'm saying. The money you are depositing, I'm going to give you signal and you are going to make money with it. Okay? And for you to get qualified to be added into the premium group, you have to deposit in this live session. So if you are not making the deposit on this live session, you are not going to be qualified. Okay? You are not going to be qualified. I'm not saying you can't take my signals. The only signals you see is you'll be able to take is the one I'll be providing on this live stream. Okay, so when so that means you'll be limited to the amount of signals you'll be getting. Guys, go and deposit. Go and make your deposit. The signal I'm waiting for right now is the NZD USD, the New Zealand dollar against United States dollars. Okay, so we already have a break of structure, a change of character. We're just waiting for the market to touch our support zone. So when the market make a move on our support zone, we are going to place an order for a buy. Okay, we are going to place an order for a buy. But I'm only going to drop the signal on the premium group. Okay, because the market It's a premium. The way I'm seeing it right now, the market is going to go higher. Okay, it's going to go high. It's going to keep going because the market just changed direction. So where I'm going to tell the premium members to get in from, they are going to make a lot of profit. Okay, so my guys in the premium group, please stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned. Stay tuned. The signal will be coming in very soon. Seriously, if you're not in the premium group, you are missing out. Seriously, you are missing out. You are missing out. You need to be in that group. Guys, start getting your account ready. Start getting your account ready. Get your account ready, guys. Get your account ready. If you haven't fund, go and fund right now. I'm serious. If you haven't fund, go and fund right now. We are going to get a massive reversal. Okay? A massive reversal. We are going to get a massive reversal on NZD USD. But like I said, go and fund your account. If you're not funding, I'm not dropping it on the live stream. Okay? This is for the premium members only. The signal I'm going to provide next is for the premium members only. Okay? If you want it, go and deposit. Deposit at least $15 right now. Deposit $15, just $15 into your account, your own account. Not my account. Oh. Deposit $15 into the BTC account. The account you created, your account in BtcDana. Fund it with $15. Okay? When you fund, you use the money to make more money. Just fund it. And I'll provide the signal. Okay? Go and fund your account, guys. Let me make the analysis for us here so that we can all take a look at it together. Okay? Let's make the analysis here together. Guys, get your account ready. Get your account ready. My premium members, get your account ready. Premium members, get your account ready. Okay. So as you can see here, let me try and shift this to the left. Okay. To the right rather. So as you can see here, guys, you see, this is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking at. But I'm not going to tell you where the market is going to take off from. So if you want me to show you where the market is going to take from, if you want to get that um, sniper entry, go and deposit $15. Deposit $15 right now. Deposit $15 in this live stream session right now. Go to the chat room, click on deposit with benefit. On that banner where it says deposit with benefit, go and click on it. So when you click on it, if you deposit up to $15, I'll add you to the premium Telegram channel. Okay. So what I want to show us is from here. Okay, let's just draw this out so that we can see it clearly. Okay, that is one. You see what I'm drawing right now is that is my break of structures. Okay, I'm trying to see what the market has been doing. Okay, what the market has been doing for some times now. Okay, so as you can see, we have break of structure to the downside here. Okay, we have the break of structure to the downside. So now, come on, pick. Okay, so now this is our last high. Okay, this is, or let's use this. Let's use this. This is our last high here. Before it got violated. So here we have a violation of our previous high. Okay, we have a violation of our previous high. So what I'm waiting for right now is, you can see this gap here. You can see this gap here. This market is coming to this zone. Okay, the market is coming down to this zone before it starts to buy to the upside. Okay, before it continues its journey to the upside. So these are trap zones. These are just trap zones. Okay, so it's going to make you feel like when the market gets to this point, it's going to start buying. Okay, but if you're able to read the market very well, you see that the market started reversing from this zone right here. Okay, so it has created multiple higher highs. This is a high, this is a low. It failed to break this high until it created this. Okay, so it broke the high. Now it's coming to mitigate the previous support zone. Okay, is coming to mitigate the previous support zone, and that is where we are looking to take our entry from. Okay, we are looking to take our entry around this area, but I'm only going to give it to the premium members. I'm only going to give it to the premium members. So if you want the same signal, if you want to see the entry point, my take profit, my stop loss, go and deposit $15 right now. Okay, we already took one trade on the premium group already. We took a trade already, and we made profit. We made good profit there. So now let me draw the box out for you guys. But I'm not going to tell you where the market will start reversing from. I already have the entry point at hand. But like I said, the only people that I'm going to share it with are my VIP members. You see, this market is coming here. Okay, this market is coming here. And when it gets to this point, it's going to start to go back up because it already changed momentum. Okay, it's already telling us that I'm in uptrend though. Okay, I want to start going up. But what it's doing right now is called a trap. It's trying to trap the sellers around this zone. Okay, it's trying to trap the sellers around around this zone. Now, if you see what the market has done previously, the market actually created a green candle. Okay, when the market got to this point, it made sellers believe that it was going to. It made buyers believe that it was going to start buying from this zone. Okay, but look what is happening right now. The market is coming back down. So whoever took this trade is going to take them out, get to this point before the market start to reverse back up. That is what he's trying to do. Okay. If you are here on this live right now, you can actually keep an eye out for this. This is NZD USD. Okay. But if you want me to give you the entry point, go and deposit $15. Deposit $15 into your BtcDana app right now. Okay. Deposit on this live stream right now. Deposit on this live stream. Use that banner icon that says deposit with benefit on the chat room. Click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you straight to where you can make your deposit. And make sure you are depositing up to $15. If not, you won't be qualified. Okay. I've given you expo enough. I've given you enough expo. So the expo is this market is coming down to this zone, and then it's going to take off here. It's going to start buying to the top side. Okay, it's going to start buying to the top side, and it's going to go long. Though we are only going to take an intraday trade. Okay, so that is we're going to place a trade for just the day. We are not hoping to go like the next day. So we are just going to scalp for some times. So if you want to see my entry, my stop loss, and my take profit, go and deposit $15 right now. Go and deposit $15. You see, we have our change of character here. Then we have a break of structure. Okay, so when you have a change of character, remember what I said a change of character is. A change of character is when your market wants to make a reversal. Now the reversal, for you to be able to get your change of character very well, make sure you are marking out the highs. Okay, or first of all, just mark out your break of structures. Okay, where the market has gone up. Okay, look at this. It came up here. It was actually coming down. It was coming down like this. Okay, but when it got here, this market stopped. It went up to this level. Okay, then came back down. Now, when it came down, it broke our previous low. Okay, broke our previous low, giving us a new low. And that is why we have a break of structure around this area. Okay, so now it went back up again, came down, break the low, that is our previous low. Okay, remember we broke this one, then we broke another one here. So when we broke this, we have another new low around this zone. Okay, then it started creating a high. This is another high. This is a new high that was created. Okay, now we are looking for another break of this low. Remember I told you, I said if we don't have a break of a new low, then our higher high or lower high it's not going to be valid. Okay, so that is why all of these are not valid. This is not valid. This is not a lower high. Why? Because look at it. It created a low, but it didn't break this low. Okay, so this is not a valid higher low. The valid one we have here is this one. Okay, this is our valid higher low. What happened? When, see, it created this higher low, and then this is the same candle that broke it to the downside. Okay, so we have another break of structure here. Then the market move up, break this. Okay, our previous higher low. Okay, our higher low that's supposed to keep creating. Okay, the market came down to this level and broke it to the top side. Now that we have a break of our higher low, we have a change in market direction. Okay, and when we have a change in market direction, we want to start looking for a buy position. We want to start looking for a buy position, and that is where our signal comes in. That is how I got to know that this market is coming to reverse here, it's coming to touch here, mitigate this order block. Our support zone is coming to mitigate it, and then continue its movement to the top side. Okay, but like I said, I'm not going to drop the entry point, the exit point, and our target. I'm not going to drop it. Okay, so if you want to get it, go and make a deposit of $15. If you want to get it, go and make a deposit of $15. Deposit on this live stream right now. Okay, you can ask those in the premium group. They made money today. Okay, they made money. So if you want to make money too, go and deposit, fund your account. Go and fund your account, guys. Go and fund your account. Premium members, brace yourself, brace yourself. In few moments now, we are going to set our trade. Okay. Don't worry. The premium members, don't worry. We are not going to place it on this live stream. Okay. We are not placing the trade here on this live stream. So I'm going to be sending it on the premium Telegram group. Okay. That is where I'm going to send it. So when I send it, you can enter your trade. You can enter it on your own BtcDana application. Okay. So let's make another few dollars. Let's make another few dollars. If you guys, if you have any question pertaining to what I explained here, you can actually ask me. Okay, you can ask me if you have any question. Any question on what I've explained here, you can ask me right now. You can ask me. You can go ahead and ask me. And if you want to make a deposit, go to the chat room right now and deposit. Deposit on your BtcDana trading app. Okay? Deposit. Let's make the next money together. Even though you missed the first one, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. There's still other days. Tomorrow is there. Okay? If you make this one now, your money will keep adding up. Okay? So the one you make tomorrow, you can even decide, okay, oh, I made profit today. You made another profit tomorrow. Let me make withdrawal. Okay? And that is the sweetness of trading. You trade during the week, then by the end of the week, you make your withdrawal. You make your withdrawal, you go shy. You understand? You enjoy yourself. So guys, please go and deposit. Go and deposit. Guys, go and make your deposits right now. Go and make your deposit. Don't worry. I'm going to show you my analysis now. I'm going to show you my analysis. The real analysis I'm looking at. Maybe that will ginger you better. Guys, if you have any question on everything that I explained on NZD USD, please feel free to ask me. Okay? Feel free to ask me. I'm going to share my screen with you guys right now. I'm going to share my analysis with you guys. I'm going to share my analysis with you guys so that you can see what I'm looking at. Okay. I hope you can all see my screen. So this is what I'm looking at on NZD USD. So I figured if I do this, you see the screen better. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay. I said the market is going to reverse somewhere around this zone. The market is going to reverse somewhere around this zone. Okay. So we have our change of character here. This is where our market had told us that it's now going to start forming a higher highs. Okay. Higher high and higher lows. Okay. So we have a high here from this point to this point. We have a high, a new high. Then it created, you see, a low. This is a higher low. Why is it a higher low? Because this low here, sorry, this low is higher than this low. Okay, so this is a lower low. This is a higher low. Then we have another high. But remember what I said about highs. Okay, so any high that is not breaking a new high. Okay, so we want something that will break this one. Okay, we want a market that is going to break this high right here. So since it's not it hasn't gotten broken, this is not a high. Okay, so this is not a high. So what we want is a break of this. Okay, so when we have a break of this, we call it a break of structure. Now look what happened here. What happened? So now what happened is we have a high, we have a low. So it hasn't formed another high. Okay, this is another low. Okay, this is another low, but it is an invalid low. Why? Because this high didn't break this. Okay, so this is what happened. We have a high, we have a low, we have another high, and then instead of this low to keep going up, we want a low that will be around this zone, isn't it? But it broke this low. Okay, it broke this low, it broke this low. Okay, so we call this trap zone in the forex market. This is what we call the trap zones in the forex market. These are trap zones. Okay, so there are buyers. There are buyers here. As a retail trader, what we do is some of us will come to our support zone. We'll take out that box. This something like this box here. Then we'll place it around this area. We will place it around this area that this market will continue to go up. But instead, what happened? If you had placed your box around this area, waiting for the market to get to this point, and then you set your stop loss around this area, around this zone, maybe just a few pips below this candle. Okay, maybe you set your stop loss around this area. Look what happened. It actually broke it. Okay, so this could have taken you out of the market before maybe going further. Okay, but what I'm seeing right here, right now, there's something we call imbalance in the market. Okay, and imbalance is gap between candles. Okay, these are imbalances. Look at this candle right here. This candle here created a very big imbalance. Okay, created a very wide imbalance. Let me zoom it out so that you guys can see clearly. So what I mean by imbalance is this. Guys, please pay attention. This is very important. This is what I mean by imbalance. You see this candle here, this green candle here. Okay, you see, this is still the candle because this is the week. Okay, this is where the body starts from, and this is where the body ends. This is another week. Okay, so from this week right here to this week right here, there's a gap. Okay, and the market needs to come back and fill these gaps. Okay, the market always go and come back to fill the gaps. So, and this is exactly what is happening here. Okay, that is exactly what is happening here. The market is coming back to fill the gaps that it had left behind. Okay, and then come to this downside here, we have another gap that hasn't gotten filled. Okay, we have another gap here that hasn't gotten filled. So this market is going to come down to this level to fill this gap. Okay, and that is where we are going to take advantage of our buy entry. Okay, and that is why I have drew a box on the imbalance. Okay, you can call it imbalance. Some people call it fair value gap. Okay, some people call it gaps. So those are ICT terms. Okay, they are ICT terms. When you say imbalance, fair value gap, or a gap in candle, you are still saying the same thing. Okay, so anytime you hear me saying we have a fair value gap or we have an imbalance, don't be surprised, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, the same thing happened here. Look, the same thing happened here. When this market started moving up, the market was moving up, but we have so many imbalances in the market. What happened? The market came back down. This is a correction. We call this a correctional movement. Okay, so the market came back to correct these imbalances. Okay, we have one imbalance here. We have, see, from this week to this week, we have an imbalance. We have an imbalance here. Look what happened here too. We have another imbalance here. Okay, we have another imbalance here. So this market came, okay, this is the correction of everything that happened here. Everything that happened here, all of these imbalances, this is the correction. So the market always comes back to correct with whatever or whichever imbalance it has left behind in the past. Okay, so the same thing happened here. We have imbalances left open. So the market came back to make a correction, and that is the correction. This is the correction right here. So this is what we are looking at right now. We are looking at the market. We want it to get to this point and make the correction of this imbalance. Okay, so you can just come touch it and then start it going up. That is a correction, and that is all we need. Okay, but like I said, I'm not going to be giving you the entry point. Okay, I'm not going to give you the entry point. So if you don't want to pay, if you don't want to be in my premium group, don't worry, go and do the work yourself. I'm not going to give you free stuff anymore. Go and do the work yourself. I've already given you expo. Okay, I've already given you where the market is going to reverse from. Okay, this is NZD USD. This is NZD USD. I've already given you where the market is going to reverse from, but I'm not going to give you the entry point where what we are targeting and then our stop loss. So if you need those, deposit $15 right now into your BtcDana trading app. Deposit $15. The money you are depositing is not for me. Okay, so you are going to use the money to open position, but I need you to deposit up to $15 so that you can be qualified to get into the premium group. So let's go back to our live chat. Let's go back to our live chat. So let's go back to our live chat and see what is going on there. Our live chat and see what is going on there. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I was talking about? Because I know some of us must have seen this trade, and they will be like, but this market is going up now. Trust me, the market is just deceiving you. Okay? This market is just deceiving you. This is where it's coming to. It's coming into this box. Premium members, get your account ready. Premium members, get your account ready. I don't want to leave a buy limit, okay? I don't want to leave a buy limit that is not going to get triggered. So that is why I'm, looking at the trade. Just make sure you set a notification so that when I send the signal on the premium group, you get notified instantly and you place the trade. Okay? I hope we all understand what imbalance is now. If you still don't understand what imbalance is, or there's something that I've explained that you don't understand, you can ask the question right now. You can ask your question. Okay, we are here to help each other. Guys, I'm thinking of something. I can actually leave this trade for all of us here to benefit from it. But let's try and play a game. Let's play a game. Let me see if everything I've been explaining, if we are getting all I've been explaining from the beginning. Let's see. How should we do this? Okay, wait. Okay, so guys, if you can predict the price where you think this market is going to reverse from, I'll give you the signal for free. Okay, if you can predict where this market, if you can get close to where the market, if you can get a prediction that is close to where the market is going to reverse from, just tell me. See these numbers here. Just tell me where you think it's going to reverse. Okay, and I'll drop the signal here. Guys, please anticipate. It is your comment that is going to give us the decision. Okay, so your comment is going to make us decide if I should leave the trade here or give it to just the premium members. If I don't get comments, forget about it. I'm not going to drop it here. I'm just going to give it to the premium members. Premium members, don't worry. We have other trades coming. This is not the last trade for today. Okay, we have other trades coming. This is just one of them. But I don't want to give all the expo to the people that haven't made deposit. Okay. Guys, I haven't seen comments. I haven't seen comments. When I see comments, I'm going to decide on what to do. Guys, if you give me a perfect prediction here, if you give me a prediction here where you think the market is going to reverse, I'll drop this for all of us to benefit from. Okay? So, in case you are just joining us, let me reverse everything that I've been saying. Let me reverse everything that I've been saying. So, we have this trade here, okay? We have this NZD USD, okay? So, this is the trade I want to give to the premium members, the people in the premium group. This is the trade that I want to give to them, okay? So, we have a change of character here. And remember what I said about change of character. A change of character can only happen if we are having a reversal in the market. Okay. So what happened here is this market has been on downtrend earlier. Okay. It's been it was making a lower low coming down, making lower lows coming down. Okay. But look what happened. The market got broken out from this zone. Okay. And since then, it's been creating higher highs. You see, we have a high here and we have another high here. Okay, this high is higher than this. That's how we got our higher high. Okay, higher high. And then when it's creating higher high, it created a low. Okay, the market is creating higher lows. We have a low here, then we have another low here. This low is higher than this low. Okay, and this is the market we are currently looking at. This is NZD USD. We are currently looking at this market. So this market has been juggling around these zones. Okay, they are just liquidity zones. We call them liquidity zones. Why are they liquidity zones? Liquidity zones because those are zones where we have buyers. Okay, there are people here that wants to buy. They want to buy. Okay, but what is going to happen is it is a trap zone for them. It is a trap zone for them, and they don't know about this. They don't know it's a trap zone for them because before this market got to this point, we have people that have set, something like this box here. They set it here. They set it here that this market is going to come down to the box and start to go back up. But look what happened. What happened? So if you create your box from here to this zone right now, you see that we have a breakout. Okay, we have a breakout taking the buyers out of the market. Okay, so we call it liquidity zones. Those are zones where most traders will say, um, the my broker is manipulating my chart. No, your broker is not manipulating your chart. Okay, what happened is liquidity. We call it liquidity. Okay, so this is the fair value gap this market wants to come back to before it continue its move to the top side. Okay, this is where the market wants to get to. So we call these fair value gaps. Okay, so let me just zoom in on my chart so that you see what I'm talking about. These are fair value gaps. You can call it fair value gap or imbalance. Why are they imbalance? Because they are gaps in this candle. There are gaps. Okay, look at this candle. Look at this green candle. This is where it started from. This is the wick. Okay, and this is where it ended. We have a wick here, and we have another wick here. Okay, so these candles are not close. Okay, so here is where we say we have an imbalance. This is an imbalance. So we need to see something like this. If we get something like this, okay, look at this. Look at this. We have a close of this fair value gap. Okay, we actually have a fair value gap around here. From here to here, there's a space. Okay, but look what happened. This candle came back up to close the space. Okay, it came back up to close the space, giving us a correction. Okay, and that is exactly what this market wants to do here right now. So this market is going to come back to this box. It's going to get down to this box before it continues its way to the top side. Okay, so there's an imbalance here. You see, I've drawn out the imbalance. So we have an imbalance here. When this market gets to this point, when it gets to this point, it's going to continue its way to the top side. Okay, but mind you, I'm not going to drop our entry point on this live stream. I'm not going to drop our entry point. So if you want to get this entry point, make sure you deposit right now. We already took a trade that went into profit. Okay, we already took a trade today. So you can ask from the VIP guys. They are already making money. This is the second trade that I'm going to give to them. So if you want to take advantage of this trade also, if you want to know what my stop loss, my take profit, and my entry point is going to be, deposit $15 right now. Deposit $15. Okay, deposit $15 into your BTC Dana trading application. The money you are depositing is not for me. Okay, the $15 you deposit is not for me. It is for you to open positions with. So let's go back to the live chart. Let's go back to our live chart. Let's go back to our live chat and see what is going on. Okay, so the market is already approaching the box. You see, our market is already approaching this box. This is where I'm going to place my trade, but I'm not going to give you the entry point on this live stream. Okay, I'm not going to give you the entry point on this live stream. If you want the entry point, go and deposit $15 right now. $15, and I get you into the group, the premium group. So if you still don't know how to deposit, go into the chat room right now on this live stream. Go into the chat room, click on that banner you are seeing where they wrote deposit with benefit. Click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you directly to deposit. Okay, it's going to take you to bank transfer. Click on the bank transfer, then it will take you to where you can enter the amount you want to deposit. Then from there, follow the remaining procedures. And mind you, the account details that will be generated for you can only be used once. Okay, so after using the account details that is going to be generated for you, don't use it for another transaction. So if you need to make another deposit, follow the step from the beginning. Okay, and for you to be qualified to get into the premium group, make sure you are depositing in this live stream. If you don't deposit in this live stream, you won't be qualified. Okay, guys, so that's the scope. If you don't deposit on this live stream, you will not get qualified. My premium group members, please stay tuned. Okay, we have another signal coming in a very few moments. In just a moment, we have another signal coming in. Okay, if you are not on our premium group, you are missing out, guys. If you are not there, you are missing out. I actually dropped a signal for them before our live stream. Okay, in fact, I think our trade took profit before the live stream itself. And they all made money. So if you want to make money, make sure you deposit right now. Deposit at least $15. So when you deposit, I get you into the premium group. Okay, and the premium group comes with a lot of benefits. It comes with lots of benefits. Okay, so there I'll be sharing with you market reports and then free signals, free premium signals. Okay, with just $15. I'm not asking you to pay me for the premium signal. Okay, I'm only telling you to deposit so that you can make money with it. Deposit in your own account, not my account. Okay, so the money you are depositing is for you to make money with. If you deposit on your BtcDana right now, it is your money. It is not mine. So whatever you make there is still your money, not mine. My own job is to provide you with the signal. Okay, so we are here to help each other. We are here to help each other. You are learning. You are learning from me and you are making money at the same time. Okay. So if you are really serious about forex trading, you have to deposit. If you are not depositing, how do you want to make money? It is not possible now. Huh? If you don't deposit, when I drop signal, how do you want to make money from that signal? How? So you have to deposit so that you can start to make money with us. And your deposit, mind you guys, your deposit has to be on this live session. Okay, I need to see you make deposit on this live session. So if you don't deposit on this live session, there's no way for me to confirm you. Even though you go and deposit later, I'm not going to count it. Okay, so if you want to get into my VIP group, deposit on this live session now. VIP members, we have a trade coming up in few minutes. Okay, so our NZD USD is still going down. It's still on trying to get to our support zone. So when it gets to that support zone, I'm going to share the signal. Okay. And new members, like if you are a newcomer to forex trading and you still don't understand how to trade the forex market, this evening we have another class by 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, and those of us, okay, sorry about that, guys. Just a moment. Okay, so please, for those of us that are making payment, don't worry. Just make your payment, okay? You'll be added to the premium group later. Okay, don't worry, you'll be added. And the signal I'm going to drop, I'm going to make sure that you get the signal also, okay? Don't worry, just make your payment. If you make payment, I'm seeing it. Don't worry. You'll be added later. Don't worry, okay? Just make your payment and hold on. So for our new members that want to learn how to start trading the forex market, we have another session this evening, okay? Please come with your account. Don't worry, today you can come even with your live account, okay? So if you're not able to make deposits right now, maybe one or two things you know now, maybe your money is not yet complete, or you want to make a deposit, you can still deposit in the evening. Okay, we have another session. That is why we have two sessions, because I figured that some of us want to make deposit later. Okay, maybe some of us are just hearing about this today. So we have another session coming up around 7 p.m. Okay, so on that session, you can still make your deposit. But anytime you want to make a deposit, if you want to join my premium group, it has to be on this live stream. Okay, so we have two live stream per day. One around 2 p.m. Then the other one around 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so you can make your deposit around those times. When you make deposits, when you deposit up to $15, you have to deposit up to $15. Oh. So when you deposit up to $15, I get you into the premium group. Okay. So if you are coming this evening for the evening session, come with your real account. And if you haven't gotten a real account, come with your demo account. Okay? Because that live stream is going to be interesting. The evening live stream is going to be interesting. Serious, trust me, guys. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to make sure the newbies also start to make money. There we are going to share free signal. Okay? Free signal, free premium signal. So come with your live account. If you don't have a live account, you can come with your demo account. But I advise you to get a live account. Okay, get a live account. Even though you are a newbie, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie. As a newbie, in fact, I believe as a newbie, you should be making money, okay? Not just learning. You can be making money while you are learning now. So you don't have to wait until until I know how to trade the forex market before I start to make money. No, 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 no. Money is a great motivator, okay? So how will you be better, be serious at forex trading? You can only get better if you are trading, okay? If you are making money from it. You are here because you want to make money, right? You are learning forex because you want to make money. So just deposit on your account right now. Deposit on this live stream. Okay. So when you deposit, whenever we have that opportunity, we call it out and everybody makes money. Okay. And the people in the premium group can testify to this. I gave them a signal today and they all made money. Okay. They all made money. So get into the group also. So it won't be just in the live sessions alone that you'll be making money. You can make money even if we are not in the live session. Okay. So on this live session, it is just to, educate us. So if there's anything that we want to know that we don't know before, okay, so we can ask questions so that we can, you know, answer the questions, help ourselves. So if there's anywhere we are making mistakes or we are lagging, we can actually learn. So that is what these sessions, that is what they are for, okay? For us to educate ourselves and then place trade. So we are educating ourselves and we are making money. My premium group members, don't worry. The trade is about to take off. Okay? Just few pips to our entry point. Few pips to our entry point. Just few pips to our entry point. Guys, if you haven't made deposit, go and make it right now. We have a trade coming up. Okay? We have a trade coming up. We have a trade coming up, guys. My VIP members, brace yourself, brace yourself. Brace yourself, guys. In no time, we are going to place an order for a buy on NZD USD. Okay? Our market is approaching our entry point. Okay? The market is approaching our entry point. And when it gets there, we are going to enter for a buy. But like I said, I'm not going to share the details here on the premium on this live stream. Okay? So if you want to get my entry point, my take profit, and my stop loss, deposit $15 right now. Okay. For those that have deposited, don't worry, you will be added into the group. Just calm down. Okay. You will be added. For those of us already in the premium group, we can testify to this, isn't it? We made profit, didn't we? We made profit. Don't worry. The next thing you'll be seeing is pictures of our profits. So if you don't want to deposit, don't worry. You'll be there. We'll be making money. We'll just use our money to tutorial you. Go and make your deposit, guys. Go and make your deposit. Make deposit right now so that I can add you into our premium group. Okay. When you get to the premium group, there are a lot of benefits. Lots of benefits. Okay. One of them is making money. So there you won't just be making money. You'll be making money and then you'll be learning more. Okay. Because I'll be dropping daily tips and I'll be educating us about trading. And then I'm going to be dropping chart analysis. Okay. Chart analysis and why the market is going the way it's going. I'm going to share my current um, chart on NZD USD right now. I'm going to share my current chart on NZD USD. So for us that haven't made deposit, we know what we are talking about. Go and make your deposit now, guys. Go and make your deposit. If you haven't made deposit, our market is approaching that entry point already. Our market is approaching our entry point. So let me share my screen right now. Let me share my NZD USD screen right now. So this is where the market is right now. This is where the market is. Okay. And I want you to get here before it starts to buy. Okay. So it's still under our liquidity zone right now. Okay. Taking buyers out, taking sellers out. So it already took some sellers out. It took buyers out. It took few sellers out. So, and this is where the market is coming to reverse. It's coming here to make a reversal. Okay. So this is the opportunity we are waiting for. This is what we are waiting for here. We want the market to get to this point and start to go our way. So if you haven't made deposit, please go and deposit right now. Deposit. Deposit at least $15. The money you are depositing is not for me, guys. The money you are depositing is not for me. The money you are depositing is for you to make money. And you are not depositing it to my account. You are depositing it in your own BtcDana account. Okay. And if you don't know how to deposit, go to the chat room, click on that banner icon that says deposit with benefits. Okay. Click on it. It will take you to bank transfer. Click on the bank transfer and it will take you to where you can enter the amount you want to deposit. And make sure you are entering $15. Okay. Make sure you enter $15. Enter up to $15 so that you can be qualified to get into the premium group. Okay. My guys on premium group, don't worry, we have another trade coming up. Okay. We have another trade coming up in just a moment. So look at this. I have this order analysis here. Okay. I have this order analysis here. This market is coming to this zone. But before it gets here, it's going to make a retracement to this box. Okay. It's going to make a retracement to this box. Don't worry. I'm not going to set a buy limit. Okay. But I'm going to send this trade to our BtcDana group. Okay. So I'm going to watch out for this trade. When it gets to this point, I'm going to send out the signal. I'm going to send out the signal. Okay, so I'm still watching it. Okay, but for my premium people, our trade, this is our trade. This is the trade we are waiting for. Okay, this is what we are waiting for. Cool. So when this market gets to this point, we are going to start buying. We're going to start buying. Okay. So if you want me to give you, I already give you expo. Okay. So for you that is watching right now, I don't already give all of us expo. Okay, and the expo is that this market, when it gets to this point, it's going to start buying. But what I'm not going to give you is the entry point, which is where I'm going to place my order exactly, my exit point, which is where I'm targeting. Okay, I could target here, I could decide to target here, I could even target here or here. Okay, but I'm not going to give you that. And then my stop loss, I'm not going to give you my stop loss. So if you want to get all this information, deposit $15 into your BtcDana trading application right now. Okay, so when you deposit, I'm going to give you all the information, the take profit, the entry point, and the stop loss. I'll give you everything. Okay, and when you're depositing, deposit up to $15. Deposit up to $15. If you can deposit above $15, it is fine. In fact, if you can deposit up to $200, there are other benefits that comes with depositing up to $200. If you deposit up to $200, you have the chance to you have a one-on-one class session with me. Okay, a 1 hour Zoom session with me. So on the Zoom session, if you have any problem, anything at all that you wish to discuss or wish to show me, you can show me on the private session. Okay, the session is just going to be for me and you alone. Nobody else disturbing. Nobody else disturbing. Okay, just you and me. But that is if you can deposit up to $200. Okay, but if you have up to $15 to deposit, it is fine. You make money with your $15. In fact, you can keep it up to $200. Okay, you can keep it running until it gets to $200. So guys, let me just go back to my trade and see if we can take our entry now. But if we can't take our entry now, I'm probably going to drop the signal later on the BtcDana group. Okay, on the BtcDana group. And for our premium subscribers, don't worry. Our trade, I'm still watching out for our trade. Okay, don't worry. You don't need to do anything. I've already said you pay, I make the work. Okay, this market is going to trigger. So when it gets to that trigger point, I'm going to notify all of us. Okay, but just make sure you set a notification down on your Telegram account. Okay, set a notification so that when I send out the signal, you get the alert. Okay, and you can place it and enter the same entry point, stop loss, and take profit that I've entered. Okay. So guys, like I said, we have another session coming up in the evening, and on that session, we are going to be trading on live account. If you don't have a live account, go and get a live account. But if you still don't have a live account, come along with your demo account. Okay, because we are going to be trading. We are going to be trading in the evening also. So yesterday, I know we made a progress because some of us that are just joining, some of us that are just starting, learning how to trade the forex market. I know we learned some things yesterday. So now today, it is time to put whatever we learned yesterday. It is time to put it to good use. So today we are going to start using, okay, or practicing what we learned yesterday. Okay. So I'll see you guys by 7 p.m. If you haven't made a deposit, I'm going to end this live session right now. Okay, maybe in a few minutes time now, I'm going to end this live session. So if you haven't made a deposit, you still have the chance to make the deposit in the evening session. That is around 7 p.m. Okay, you have the chance to make your deposit by then. So our trade, I'm still looking out for our trade. I'm still watching out for it. Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask me right now before I end this live session. If you have any question whatsoever, you can ask me right now. Okay. So I'm giving you guys 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes because I need to keep watching our trade. Just 2 minutes. If you have any question, start asking. If you have no question, I'm going to end this live session in 2 minutes. I hope we all know how to deposit on our BtcDana app now. I hope you know how to deposit on this live session. If you still don't know how to deposit on this live session, go to the chat room, click on that icon, okay, that banner that says deposit with benefit. Click on it. Click on that banner. It will take you to bank transfer. Click on bank transfer, and it will take you to where you can enter the amount you want to deposit. So from there, proceed with the instructions. Okay. So our 2 minutes is up. And since we have no question, I'd like to end this live stream now. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the evening around 7 p.m. on the dot. Please don't be late and come along with your demo or real account. Okay. And if you want to fund your account, make sure you get everything ready by then, because if you can fund your account and then, I already promised you guys that we are going to trade live. Okay. So if the opportunity is a good opportunity, I'm going to tell those that has real accounts to enter the trade also. Okay. So that will be all for now. I'll see you guys in the evening. Bye for now.